Time to start. The foundation needs to be solid to hold up against this weather. All right, first the shovel goes here. Now this heavy gear needs to be set down carefully. All right, supplies are out. That's it, the pulk is next. All right, time to clear this out. Ooh. Heavy, almost there. Almost through. Just a little further, then we'll have enough for the fire. All right, that should hold. Solid. All right, that's the base. Solid as a rock. All right, found the case. Now to prep the range. I've got to gather those wall branches. The saw is ready. Okay, that should do it. That's a good one. All right, gloves cleared. Time to get this shield in place. Looks good. Another layer. The wind won't get through now. Just right. Let's see how it holds.
Agrado trak, mes mus kapna se uzdočilo, to njemilas dvira turžnojem aspekta, vlad golis atecivice.
Time to get some firewood. These branches won't last forever. Looks strong enough. Just need to clear the snow. All right, that should do it. Into the stove. I've got the birch bark, that should catch well. Now for the feather sticks, arranged just so to give it plenty of air. Come on, catch! There we go, got it now. All right, stove's drafting well now. That feels good. Getting water out here is tricky. Just pile the snow in, keep the fire hot, and let the stove do the work. All right, water's ready. Time to open this up. All right, time to eat. Ah, that's just what I needed. So glad to be out of that wind. Time to warm things up. All right, time to get situated. Perfect. Got the light. Good job, me. Well below freezing. Time to reinforce this roof with
Keep that light steady.
I hear ya.
Wood burns steadily through the night.
Safe.